AI plus warfare equals, yeah, the future, kind of scary. That means that the battlefield will no longer be run by a general who has PTSD and smokes Marlboro Reds. If you've ever been accused of being bad at teamwork, congrats. You might have a great future in drone warfare. Are AI war machines a good idea, or are we sleepwalking into Skynet? Great. Okay. Hey folks, welcome to another episode of the Evening Goose. I'm your host, Andrew Ginsberg. This is your place for the latest summaries of news in technology, AI, and beyond, but with fewer boring charts and more questionable jokes. Before we dive in, hit that like button so the algorithm knows you're cool, baby. Subscribe if you want more weird and funny, maybe useful breakdowns of the latest in tech. It's all stuff you could have Googled yourself, but you came here, so subscribe. All right, so you've probably never heard of Anduril Industries, but if you like drones, AI, and the future of warfare sounding like a Shark Tank pitch, you're in for a real treat. This is the company bringing us AI-powered defense systems, autonomous drones, and a military that's basically run like a weird San Francisco tech startup. Yay! Free bagels and coffee in the lobby. Let's go into the office. So here are the top 5 things you need to know about Anduril before their drones learn how to file restraining orders and start to take me down. Number 1. Anduril is basically defense tech for disruptors. So if Palantir and SpaceX had a baby, and that baby could fly and launch devastating missiles, that would be Anduril. Founded by Palmer Luckey, nothing lucky about that. This is the guy who invented Oculus Rift and then got kicked out of Facebook for, looking like this. Anduril's making AI-driven defense systems that are replacing old-school military contractors. What a noble pursuit. They're doing what Silicon Valley does best. They're moving fast, they're breaking things, and those things might actually be enemy radar stations. Very nice. Number 2, AI plus warfare equals, yeah, the future, kind of scary. Anduril's biggest flex, it's called the lattice system. Sounds nice, right? Ooh, the lattice system. Can I have a picnic by it? Is it? No, it's an AI-powered defense system. And basically what it can do is it can detect threats, it can deploy drones, and it can make decisions autonomously. That means that the battlefield will no longer be run by a general who has PTSD and smokes Marlboro Reds. Instead, it'll be run by an AI assistant who might just be one firmware update away from saying, you know what, let me just kill all the humans. What are we doing here? Let's just wipe everybody out. But don't worry, it still needs a human to approve strikes for now. Something tells me an autonomous military drone will find a way around that in the future, but what do I know, right? I'm just the recap guy. Number 3, the drones are the MVPs. So Anduril makes autonomous drones like the Ghost and the Roadrunner. I guess all the good names were taken by divorced dads with boats. These are basically military Roombas, except instead of cleaning your floor, they take out enemy targets in a vicious and violent way. These things can find threats without a human operator, fly in swarms, and engage targets faster than traditional fighter pilots, which means pilots are out, nerds are in. So if you've ever been accused of being bad at teamwork, congrats. You might have a great future in drone warfare. Number 4, the government, of course, loves them. The Pentagon is all in on Anduril because unlike traditional defense contractors, cough, Lockheed Martin, Anduril moves fast, costs less, doesn't take 20 years in secret to deliver a single jet. They're already securing billion-dollar contracts to guard the border, protect military bases, and make sure nobody sneaks up on an aircraft carrier. Number 5, the line between sci-fi and reality is getting kind of blurry. We used to think AI war machines were just Terminator stuff. But now there are tech founders with a weird haircuts business model. Anduril's tech is proof that the future of war is going to be automated. Great. Tired of doing this manual war. Come on, man. AI is making military decisions. Great. Okay. The next world war might just be fought by Silicon Valley nerds in hoodies. Oh boy. So closing thought. Yeah, Anduril is changing warfare faster than you can say. I, for one, welcome our new drone overlords. Are we heading towards an AI-controlled military, or is this just another way to sell the government overpriced software? Either way, one day a drone might decide if you live or die, and I just hope it at least runs a better operating system than Windows. If you made it this far, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know. Are AI war machines a good idea, or are we sleepwalking into Skynet? Thanks for tuning in to the Evening Goose.